What is the circulatory system? The circulatory system is a body system that delivers substance to your cells, carries waste away from the cells, and helps to regulate your body temperature. The parts that make up the circulatory system are the heart, blood, and blood vessels. This is important to us because without the circulatory system, our cells wouldn't be able to get the nutrients they need. What does blood do? There are 4 parts of our blood. The plasma is straw-colored liquid that makes up 55% of it. Red blood cells are circular discs that give blood its color. White blood cells are also circular in shape, and they are larger than red blood cells. Platelets are tiny and colorless pieces of a cell. Why are blood vessels important? Blood vessels are important because they send blood to every part of your body. The 3 main types of blood vessels are arteries, veins, and capillaries. Let's talk about arteries. Arteries can be found throughout your body. They carry blood away from your heart. How do they help the circulatory system, you ask? They help by carrying oxygen-rich blood and nutrients to your cells. Let's talk about veins. Veins can be found throughout your body. What they do is they carry blood back to the heart. Veins help the circulatory system by taking away dissolved waste from the cells. Now it's time to talk about capillaries. Capillaries can be found throughout the body. A majority of blood vessels are also capillaries. Capillaries connect the arteries to the veins. They are very thin and allow the oxygen to pass through to the cells and help get rid of the waste. The heart. When your heart beats, the muscle contracts and the atria fills with blood. Then the atria contracts and squeezes blood through the valves, and the blood goes into the ventricles. This causes the ventricles to contract. When the ventricles contract, the valve closes between the atria and the ventricles. This is the first part of the heartbeat that we hear. It also squeezes blood into the large blood vessels. Then the valves between the ventricles and the blood vessels snap shut, which creates the second part that we hear. This image shows all the different parts to the heart, including the aorta, the pulmonary artery, the pulmonary veins, the left atrium, left ventricle, septum, right ventricle, and right atrium. Please label them in your booklet. Now it's your turn to tell me something. Please list 3 facts that you have learned throughout this unit during any of the activities you have done. Once you have finished this, you may take some time and color this packet so it's beautiful when we show it off to friends and family.